Hey traders, happy Monday morning. Hope you're all doing well. It's 11:42 where I am, and I'm already done for the day. I made my money going short on SPY and Intel today. And so even if the day ends up being a positive day by the end of it, I got in and out within the first hour and made my money going short. So it's just proof that the strategy can work long or short. You just got to be on the right side of the trend and get in and out within the right time frames to do it. But that's not the reason why I'm making this video. I am making this video right now because I just realized today that this channel just surpassed 1,000 subscribers, which is wild because it seems like just yesterday I started it and I never had the intention of really even growing the channel that much. Not that I didn't want it to grow, but it's just that I made the channel because it's fun for me. Like, this is not my business. My actual business is trading. I make my money, I make my living by day trading stock options. Doing this channel was just something fun that I could do on the side with all the extra time that I have in my life since I don't have a quote unquote real job. So it's been pretty amazing that I actually got 1,000 subscribers without even really trying that hard. And because of that, I'm going to do something kind of cool right now for everybody. And I am going to give away one copy of my complete video course to somebody. And if you're watching this video right now, you have a 1% chance of winning the course for free. And how this is going to work is I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. I've already got my number picked out. And what I want you guys to do is everybody in the comments, put your number down. You get one guess. Each person gets one guess. Just write down what's your number between 1 and 100. And as soon as that number is hit by somebody, I'm going to give that person the course for free. I don't know how long this will take. It might take a day, it might take a week. It just depends on how much interaction I get with this video and how quickly people actually comment and put up their guesses. But that's it. You're gonna possibly win the entire course for free. Just me saying thanks for supporting the channel. And so far it's been fun. I actually enjoy teaching. I enjoy sharing the wins when I have them, and I enjoy explaining the process as to how the wins actually happen. And so I will continue to do that moving forward. So thanks again for supporting the channel, and put your guesses below. And as soon as I get a winner, I'll let that person know. All right, see you soon.